This Fairfax Realty Select property video is presented by Mila Tecson. Welcome to this charming, bright and open floor plan one-level home. Freshly painted and new carpet all throughout. Upon entering, you will find the receiving room with fireplace, hallway that will lead to the bedrooms. This house features spacious kitchen with plenty of cabinets, large patio for relaxation and entertainment and fully fenced backyard. Located close to shopping and restaurant. Move-in ready. For more information, review the details below.